Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drift a Kia Forte. While front-wheel drive cars aren't designed for traditional drifting, it is possible to achieve controlled slides with the right techniques and modifications. We'll cover essential preparations and safety measures first, as drifting carries inherent risks. Remember, safety is paramount, so always choose a designated track or skid pad for practice. Before attempting any drifting, proper vehicle preparation is crucial. For a front-wheel drive Kia Forte, a larger rear sway bar can help induce the desired oversteer. Upgrading your brakes and tires will provide better control and traction during slides. Most importantly, ensure all safety equipment, such as a helmet and a roll cage, is in place and functioning correctly. Always prioritize your safety. To initiate a drift in a front-wheel drive car, you can use the handbrake method by turning into a corner and pulling the handbrake to break rear wheel traction. Another technique is lift-off oversteer, where you quickly release the accelerator to shift weight. Once sliding, counter-steer in the direction of the slide to maintain control. Use careful throttle modulation to sustain the drift through the turn. For more advanced control, focus on mastering weight transfer and practicing pendulum drifts for seamless transitions between turns. Precise throttle modulation is key to controlling both the speed and angle of your drift, allowing for longer, more controlled slides. Remember, consistent practice in a safe environment is essential for improvement. Also, don't forget to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals to keep you going.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.